The national workshop for the NIOB 2018 is here with us. This is just an opportunity to once again assure our builders and indeed the general public that it will be a worthwhile experience to see you there in this workshop, which is on the all-important issue of building information modeling and its relevance to the Nigerian construction industry. On behalf of the Professional Practice and Development Committee, let me say that we put in all in place to make sure that conducive venues, very interactive workshop delivery, also effective time management, and all the welfare of our participants will be given top attention. And we have also carefully selected resource persons that are very well experienced practitioners, and they are also experts in their own right, particularly speaking about this all-important issue of building information modeling. We have also provided the environment for effective delivery of the workshop instructional materials, and it's interactive enough. We believe that as participants do come with their computers as requested, having installed the software, there will be a lot of interactions in the teaching and the learning that will take place. I will not want any of our builders to miss this workshop, even as I invite you to quickly start making your way to Lagos and Abuja for this first batch of workshop, which by the grace of God will be a memorable experience. Thank you very much, and expecting to see you there. Thank you.
The Professional Practice and Development Committee, on behalf of the Nigerian Institute of Building, cordially invites builders and the general public to a 2 days mandatory professional development workshop. Theme: Building Information Modeling Practice in the Nigerian Construction Industry. Date: 24th to 27th April 2018, Lagos and Abuja. 1st to 4th May 2018 will hold at Anambra and Kaduna states. Workshop fee: members 25,000 naira, non-members 30,000 naira, corpers and students 15,000 naira. All payments are to be made into the NIOB Zenith Bank account 101-4579285. Announcer: Builder Dr. Napoleon Usman, MNIOB, Secretary, Committee on Professional Practice and Development. See you there. Don't miss out.